Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of vocabulary fun. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you with me today. Our word of the day is chair. It's an A1 level noun meaning a piece of furniture to sit on. So, what exactly is a chair? Well, it's a very common piece of furniture that you'll find in almost every home, office, or public space. It's designed to support a person in a seated position. Usually, it has a back, legs, and sometimes armrests. Think about the chair you're sitting on right now, or the chair at your dining table, or even the chair in a park. They all serve the same basic purpose, providing a comfortable place to sit. You might say, "Please have a chair," when you're offering someone a seat. Or, "This chair is really comfortable." Now, let's explore some synonyms for the word chair. A close synonym is seat. While chair specifically refers to a piece of furniture, seat can be more general. For example, you might say, "Take a seat anywhere you like." Another synonym, though less common, could be stool, especially if the chair lacks a back. You might hear, "He perched on a stool at the bar." Now, let's think about some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of chair. An antonym could be standing. If you're not sitting in a chair, you're likely standing. For example, instead of sitting in a chair, she was standing by the window. Another antonym could be lying down. Instead of sitting upright in a chair, you might be lying down on a sofa or bed. For instance, he wasn't in a chair, he was lying down resting. Okay, let's talk about how we use the word chair in everyday life. We use it constantly. We might say, "I need to buy a new chair for my office." Or, "Could you please pull up a chair and join us?" You might hear phrases like chairperson, which refers to the person in charge of a meeting or committee. For example, "The chairperson called the meeting to order." Here's some more usage examples. The carpenter built a beautiful wooden chair. She rocked gently in her favorite chair. He offered her a chair by the fire. The chair was too high for the table. There weren't enough chairs for everyone at the party. I tripped over the chair in the dark. Please stack the chairs after the event. The museum has a collection of antique chairs. The dog loves to sleep under the chair. He carefully placed the cushion on the chair. The cat jumped onto the chair. This is a comfortable chair. The chair is broken. Bring me a chair. Let's recap. Today, we learned about the word chair, which is an A1 level noun meaning a piece of furniture to sit on. We explored synonyms like seat and stool, and antonyms like standing and lying down. We also looked at how the word chair is used in various everyday situations. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. Before you go, please remember to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And now, for our fun challenge, create your own sentence using the word chair and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to read them. Bye for now.